Welcome. Thank you for your time. It is a pleasure to talk with you about sovereign capacities and capabilities for artificial intelligence AI. We are being impacted by AI either directly or indirectly by AI of one or more types, which requires a sovereign capacity and capability for growing ourselves and our businesses, for retaining customers and relationships, and to protect ourselves and businesses as we respond to the opportunities from AI. This need applies to small businesses, corporations, national governments, state governments, and local councils alike, and is across the varying types of AI, including robotics, chat, imaging, facial recognition, and the emerging generative AI and agentic AI. Whether a small business, a global corporation, a government, or an organization, the need for a sovereign capacity and capability for AI is about protecting operations, serving customers, and growth. We encourage you to seek more information if required. Please enjoy and come away informed and wanting to do more around AI. AI-based stacks for integration. A sovereign AI capacity is about ongoing operations with additional development, improvements, advancements, and assurance. While the research and development of algorithms and models may be part of a sovereign AI for a country, a larger organization, or different government agency, a business needs to be able to manage the integration of AI types for business outcomes. As part of a sovereign capacity and capability, being able to support a new generation of models and algorithms is required for areas like energy efficiency and quantum computing with performance and encryption. Please see link to related post in the comments. Next Generation AI Emerging Solutions. Should a business or a country or an educational institution be seeking to gain competitiveness or investment returns are being sought, then an area of return is expected to be in the management of the integration of AI types and systems. To meet business needs, it is expected that an AI interface layer will evolve to support the diversity of models and algorithms expected. A series of specialist layers serving across AI types, models and algorithms, as well as systems and data is expected to be necessary to support dynamic business needs. This layer can be considered as a series of layers consisting of a series of interfaces or APIs integrated together for emergent functionality, including encryption, a dedicated layer with interfaces for encryption supporting all transfers of data, metadata, processes, access, permissions, privileges, roles, and related data sharing and across algorithms and models. This is applied before AI, within AI, and after AI. An AI-based assurance regime is part of the encryption. Permissions, access, authentication, profiles. A dedicated layer of functionality with details on the permissions and access, as well as providing the required authentication for the required data, process, metadata, and algorithm and models use. Such details are expected to be aggregated into profiles. These profiles are created and managed based on a series of criteria. It is the aggregation of details in profiles which is needed for both workflow and performance management, amongst others. Errors and exceptions handling. The identification, handling, management, and resolution of errors when they occur within data, metadata, process, permissions, access, and related profile details. Similarly, for the management of exceptions and how to handle, especially within automated operations, whether this is in the data or the models and algorithms or profiles and related. AI is used in the response and management of errors and exceptions from AI. This will be required for process automation of knowledge worker services. AI interfaces across AI types. The integration of AI types and the sharing of data, metadata, process and profiles, etc. is required by business. AI will be part of the AI integration layer. Control, ownership and custodianship of the AI integration is integral to AI sovereign capacity and capability. Systems interfaces for data and processes. Similarly to the integration of AI types is that of systems with the required data and processes. This is again part of a sovereign AI capacity and capability. The AI interface layer is about an emergent behavior working across the respective areas, sourcing from both legacy and cloud services required to meet the needs of shared services, operational services, customer service, and outsource operations, including channel partners and vendor integration. Clearly, these layers work together in an integrated form. To meet the emerging needs and expectations of AI for sovereign requirements and to gain a competitive advantage over incumbents, the opportunity is in the emergence of layers within AI performance and operations rather than including within a given AI. Sovereignty using AI interfaces for control over emerging services. Related to the AI interface layer is the use of an overall emergent approach to service other current and emerging needs. These are expected to include, amongst others, benchmark testing, the performance, management and monitoring of data for AI, the AI and the outcomes from AI. AI is expected to use benchmark testing for assessments, monitoring and management. Please see links in the comments. Real-time decision making. Using AI in real-time decision making for business operations and services. Personality assistant. Based on profile details and encompassing expected behaviors, likely temperament, personal traits, qualities and values, the likely and expected behaviors of stakeholders within processes, services and operations. The AI is expected to be used in response prediction. Handoff assurance. Related to the management of errors and exceptions is the use of AI in oversight, assurance and monitoring of the quality of handoff across interfaces, within processes, in data and metadata, as well as AI models and algorithms. This is expected to extend across reporting, performance management, as well as alerts and advisory services. The AI interface layer, as well as the emerging AI services, combine to support and enable the automated knowledge worker services of shared services and supporting services. Meeting the expected needs and expectations of AI for sovereign requirements and to gain a competitive advantage over incumbents, opportunities are seen within the overall AI interface layer, the emerging services, and the expected knowledge worker services. To meet the emerging needs and expectations of AI for sovereign requirements and to gain a competitive advantage over incumbents, the opportunity is in the need to integrate AI types with the required control, ownership, custodianship, and sovereignty. Enabling this integration is the emergence of the layers within AI, encryption, profiles, errors and exception handling, AI and systems interfaces, rather than including within AI as seen in current practices. This AI interface layer is expected to support new AI services like benchmark testing, real-time decision making, handoff assurance, and personality assistance in support of automated knowledge worker services. Thank you for your time. May this series be of value to you and those you help. Please feel free to like, share, and comment.